Alright now people, yet again we're back again with a brand new video, you see me? Now today, video request by Mick&Shan, a YouTube channel, so we're gonna drop them link in the description, you see me? Now today we're gonna do a 6ix9ine and Nicki Minaj. Song dropped 2 days ago, so fairly new, you see me? So we'll lend the ears and see how it sounds. Let's go. First, like, share, comment, subscribe. Key thing, like, share, comment, subscribe. You see me?
Sad pony.
I'll stop it right so. We like the beat. We like the beat. As a jump off, we like the beat.
You wanna fight me, you don't want no problems at your party, don't invite me. I don't worry about you niggas, please stop talking about me. Always talking about me cause you looking for the clout team. 6ix9ine or 9 riding in a two-seater with two Ninas. Baby got that aquafina, it's cocaine. Smoking on that OG reefer, no TMZ. 40 hours on a bitch truck, make a French fuck, so that she could get Chanel. She let my French fuck start shining in the Rolls Royce, it got red guts. Wait, hold up, nah, I still don't give a fuck.
Dollar bill, come get her. Even your man.
Alright, before we go into even Nicki verse, you see me? For 6ix9ine verse never hot to me. Never hot at all to me. So make you see how Nicki go on, cause Nicki can kinda spit. So bias all like Nicki can spit, you see me? But alright. Make you listen, Nicki.
I know niggas do it better. I know you don't like me. You wanna fight me. Always on my page, never double tap like me. Baddies to my left and my right. Never chase a corny nigga, put that on my life. Just fit it in his face, all his cake. He wanted the taste. He sipping on that ace. Itty bitty waist, pretty face. Yeah, eat a cookie monster. He a slave to this pussy, call me monster.
Alright, okay, let me stop it right there so again. You see me, we all know Nicki can spit, you see me? We're not trying to be biased or nothing like that. Nicki can spit, you see me? She start off good too. Couple bars, bad, you see me? She have a bad flow, you see me? I say, she alone have the flow really, so alright, cool. But she kind of catch back his song on a level to me. If I did just like 6ix9ine and this song, it don't make no goddamn sense to me at all, you see me? But we can learn what years again still. To make you hear what Nicki I say.
Real wet, I just slurp it like it's pasta. They get nervous when it's Nicki on a roster. Somebody usher this nigga into a clinic. My flow still sick, I ain't talking the pandemic. I write my own lyrics, a lot of these bitches gimmicks. They study Nicki style, now all of them want mimic. Talking about snitches when it's snitches and you can't. Never stand alone, you always itching for a stamp. Me, I'm still money, wrists light up like a lamp. They gon' have to send their best fighter for the champ. Racks, I got them, Mary, I'm popping. They keep hating, but still watching. Check the boards, I'm still tapping. Bust down a plain chain, I got options. It's a bunch of mini me's, I'm the one they mocking. Showed you how to get the bag, now you going shopping. When I come out, all the sneak bitches start plotting. When I come out, it's a sweet bitches start mocking.
Like I don't wash, cock, got it,
Like a
like the part that song too. You see? Like the part that song bad. The part that song sick.
Fast, 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 he singing my old song. Yelling ass, they was beating, trying to beat me. Then they crash, crash, crash. Kill 100, left the number on my dash, dash, dash. That real ass ain't keep your nigga home.
Alright, I nice song that. May I be honest? You see me as always. If Nicki never in a song, it would make no sense at all. Baddest part of the song, I read him. To me. Now I'm trying to feel biased. I'm just give you my opinion. You see me? Song have I think around 78 million views thus far. So you know 6ix9ine kinda trend now. You see, well not kinda, dog. In my trend right now. You see me I say? 700, well not 700 but 78 million views. Hot in space of 2 days. Yeah, do it. You see me? But again, Nicki kinda saved that song to me still. So you go. Anyways, like, share, comment, subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section if you want me to react to our next song. You see me? I like that. I'm out.